I enjoy being outside. My allergies are absolutely acting up. Absolutely, it is. But I can't stay inside a box all day. I have to move around um, to stay somewhat sane to a certain extent. But look at all these lovely blossoms that's fallen from the trees here. So many, just filled with blossoms. And these are the lovely blossoms. Very pretty. This is why I enjoy going outside. For the scenery, especially during the spring/summer. And it feels nice as well, other than my allergies. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's not all bad. Not everything is all bad. There are some things that's nice to look at. Or organisms, because they're plants, they're alive. Well, the flowers might be dead, but you know what I mean, don't you?